log into your both Amazon affiliate dashboard and your WordPress blog dashboard. So you have to log in to both these things. So and here you will find banners. So under the product linking, so you will find the banners tab. Just click on that. Here you will find the banners in different size. So basically there are 4 sizes. So one particular size is fit for one particular position. So if you want to put the head at the header section, the 728 by 90 what size will be preferred. If you want to put the in between blog post or in between the blog post, and then this particular size will be preferable. If you want to put the at the right sidebar, then these sizes will be preferable. So now we will install the Amazon banner at sidebar. So for that, here you have to select the 300 by 250 size, and here you have to click highlight HTML. Just click on the code and right click on the code and select the copy. And here you have to on your WordPress blog dashboard, you have to go to the widgets. So under appearance, so here you will find the widgets. Just click on the widgets. There here we are pasting the code at the right sidebar. So that's why here we have to the right sidebar, and here you will find the custom HTML widget. We have to drag this one to here. Just here you have to press the Ctrl+V or paste, just paste, and click the save. Here I am dragging this one to upper. So that's how it will be uploaded. So this is the custom home page. So I will go to the individual post. So there you will find the results. See, observe, the image will be inserted. It will be just displayed portion because the sizes. So you have to adjust the image size as per this background section size. So next, if you want to install the banner at this position, so in between the navigation bar and this particular title, if you want to put here, there you have to select the size 728 by 90, and you have to put that in the here header section. You have to paste your code in the header section. So if you want to put your head in case in the footer, so then you have to paste your code in the footer widgets. So either footer 1, footer 2 or footer 3. Okay, so if you want to put the code in between the blog post, so I want the banner have to display at here. So I want to display a banner after this one. So in this place I want to display the banner. In that case you can't install the banner from this area. So for that you have to install one separate plugin which is called Add Inserter. So you have to install that plugin, Add Inserter. This is the plugin you have to install for this purpose. So for that you have to go to the plugins and add new, and here you have to just type Add Inserter. This one. So this particular plugin I already installed, but it is in the deactivation. So I already installed this Add Inserter plugin. So for your demo I will just activate the plugin. Here is the dashboard of Add Inserter plugin. So here you have to copy the code from here. So you have to copy code from here and you have to paste in this one. So suppose if you want to put this one, just copy, and here you have to just paste, and here come to here, it have to display on the post. Just remove home page, search pages, category pages, tag pages, just remove, just kept post, and here I have to insert after the paragraph, so I have to insert after fourth paragraph. So just select the 4 and you have to save settings. Again, once refresh the blog post. Yeah, here the banner installed on your blog post. In this way, you can install Amazon affiliate banners on your WordPress blog. Share your feedback, how you feel about this video in the comments. So if you love this video, like up and share it with your friend. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.